In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Authenticator app. If you've ever been prompted for a verification code when signing into an account, that's where Google Authenticator comes in. It generates time-based codes that help secure your logins with an extra layer of protection, and the best part is that the official app is free to use. Let's walk through the download on an Android phone, such as a Samsung or Huawei. First, open the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the app with the multicolored play button icon. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Google Authenticator exactly as you hear it, and then look at the search results. Now, this is important. Select the app that's published by Google LLC. That developer name tells you it's the official version. There may be other apps with similar names or icons, but you want the one by Google LLC to make sure you're getting the real thing. When you've confirmed you've got the official listing, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app and you'll see a progress indicator. Depending on your connection, this might take a few moments. When the button changes to Open, go ahead and tap Open to launch the app. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Google Authenticator on Android. A quick note for iPhone users. You'll get the app from the App Store, and the same idea applies. Search for Google Authenticator, confirm the developer is Google LLC, and download. Even though the screens look a bit different between Android and iPhone, the overall process is essentially the same. A few important safety tips before we wrap up. Always download Google Authenticator only from the official Google Play Store on Android or the official App Store on iPhone. Double-check that the developer name shown on the app page is Google LLC. Avoid installing APK files from websites, third-party stores, or links you find online. Those can be risky and may contain modified or malicious versions. Sticking to the official stores ensures you get the authentic app with the latest security updates. To recap, open the store on your phone, search for Google Authenticator, pick the official app by Google LLC, tap Install, then Open. With that done, you're ready to use it to help protect your accounts with stronger security. Thanks for watching, and take care of your digital safety.